by the bacon. You did the work. Here with John from Signature Landscape Corp. Oh, John is up here. John, good to see you. John,
good morning for this morning.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Signature Landscape Corp.
You got it.
Why do you come to HNA every year?
Oh man, for this, to see everybody put a name with a handle, you know, and seeing you here making the journey 9-10 hours, that's awesome, man. That's great.
John, thanks so much.
No problem, sir.
Richard Carroll, RC Outdoor. Richard, why do you come to HNA each year?
I came because I knew that you were coming from Canada, and I didn't know you had a face.
That's not true.
And I wanted to see you in person and meet your wife. Yeah, but seriously, I come here to be with the guys, to be with the guys in the industry, to hang with them, talk about struggles, talk about challenges, how we're doing well, how we're not doing so well, and it's just good to touch base with all the community. So that's really why we come. There's not a lot of stuff that's out there that's new that we haven't seen. These guys like Mike, all the guys here, so loving it. Keep it up.
Richard, you're one of the first accounts I started following when I started in social media, and just the inspiration I get from you. One of the first people I reach out to for an interview as well. Wow. So I really appreciate you, man.
Appreciate that, man. You like my skin?
Yeah. Nick, Earthworks Landscaping. Nick, why do you come to HNA every year?
I just like the fellowship, all these guys. There's always a lot of cool equipment and stuff, obviously, but it's the networking for me.
Awesome. Yeah. Nick, really appreciate your friendship over the years. Finally get to see you in person, see your face. Appreciate you, man.
I like you too, man. Appreciate you.
Craig Scheller Outdoor Living here. Craig, why do you come to HNA every year?
Well, I've been coming since 2015, and I started coming for different reasons, education, see equipment, and things like that. But the more I've come, and every year I say, I don't know if I'll go this year or not, but the community is what really drives my decision to come every year. We have pretty much everything we need in our company, so I just like the camaraderie and just seeing all the guys we connect with on Instagram and all the social media pages, and then coming and meeting them in person and talking and seeing how just talking real life, and it's a really good opportunity to do that. So
absolutely
I recommend it.
Craig, just seeing how your business has grown is really incredible, and the beautiful is understatement work that you do.
Thank you.
Evan, Pride Hardscape here. Evan, thanks so much.
Yeah.
You just caught me at a bad time, man. You made me all laugh. Okay. Evan, Pride Hardscape here. Evan, why do you come to HNA each year?
I come to HNA every year for this right here. Seeing all my guys that I talk to all over the country, all over the states, and also it's really nice seeing the new tech, to see what's coming out, what they have. I haven't really been able to see too much of the fair, so we're gonna go see a lot today, but I really like this. This is awesome, especially with this guy putting the phone in my face.
Josh Sutton Outdoor. Josh, why do you come to HNA every year?
I just love the networking, get together with my brothers here. We're at the Bro Life Breakfast. Just awesome to get together. It's like a big family reunion, all of us in the industry. We work hard, we talk on Instagram all the time, and it's great to see their faces, your face, coming all the way from Canada. It's awesome.
Josh, I really appreciate the friendship online, and then finally I get to see your face, so thanks a lot,
Hope
man.
you're not disappointed in it.
It lived up and exceeded my expectations.
Awesome, I appreciate that. I've been exfoliating.
All right, here with Scott, Infinity Lawn and Landscape, or Infinity Landscape. It's coming. Affinity Landscapes. Scott, why do you come to HNA each year?
So I come to HNA to just kind of see all the new stuff they're coming out with, technologies, equipment, and mostly this, networking with the other guys in the industry, just see what they're doing that works, what they've tried to kind of learn from them, and just see what might we be able to adapt into our company and our services and products and stuff that has worked out for them. So,
can we drop a couple of things that you were just talking to me about as we got to this Pro Life Breakfast? Moser, Dynascape, and then what's the decision process behind looking at those?
Yeah, so Moser, the measuring tool with your phone, and it just gets elevations and measurements, distances, and all that stuff, and it'll upload directly into Dynascape files. So it's supposed to make our estimating process and design process a lot more efficient and kind of seamless. It'll take a lot less measurements and just get the elevation changes, because all these projects have steps, walls, different levels, and that's what people want nowadays.
Awesome. Scott, thanks so much.
Thanks, Mike.
This is disgusting.
Thank you.
Look how dirty that lens is, Mike. I thought you were a professional. What the hell's going on here?
Thanks, Caleb. Caleb Almond Landscape, Kid Contractor Podcast, Hardscape Academy. A little bit rude, Caleb.
I was gonna say it's a little I'm a big deal. My truck repair guys call me. I'm a little bit of a big deal here, Mike. I don't know what to tell you.
Caleb, why do you come to HNA every year?
I've been coming to HNA and formerly GIE for over 10 years now. And initially it started out, you know, to see equipment and see tools and softwares and things like that. And then over the years, since the community has built up, now it's to run, like, so many awesome people we run into and know now. We have the privilege to get to talk to. It's all about just meeting friends and making new friends, and like, it's all about people and networking now. It's the greatest privilege to be part of the hardscape community and the landscape community, to get to just run into people you've been talking to for years. And like, this is our first in-person time we've ever met, you and I. And we've DM'd for years and been on your podcast and vice versa. And like, I don't feel any disconnect.
Yeah.
It's it's like that initial awkward meeting. It's like, I feel like I've known you forever.
Absolutely.
And it's such a privilege to just get to talk to everybody. So that's why I'm here, man. It's the most wonderful thing.
I've even got your phone number so I can prank call you at any time. So it's great.
It's the greatest thing ever, dude. And you can prank me any day.
Andy, what was the biggest game changer at HNA? Nothing? All right. Weston Syncup is here. Weston, we've been talking online for at least a couple of years now, so it's great to finally put a face to, instead of just talking through Zoom. But Weston, why do you come to HNA each year?
Well, we have synced up, obviously, so we're here to support our customers and get the Know Your Numbers message out there for this community. But speaking of which, the community is the biggest draw for me. Like, even if it weren't for the synced up thing, this community is fantastic. Like, I was just telling Jeremiah, I was talking with him how, you know, owning a business, trying to solve problems, is, you can feel really alone, and it's really, really awesome to gather here and realize, like, wow, there's 10 other people or 100 other people or 1,000 other people that are walking this same road, and there's just a camaraderie and a brotherhood that comes from that. And I love being a part of the Bro Life breakfast and the event we had last night. Like, just to fuel that or give a place for that to happen is fantastic.
Awesome. Well, Weston, I really appreciate everything you do for the community, putting this on, helping with this, and so many other community events that you do. So thank you.
Absolutely, my pleasure. Food out, and yeah, they've been really helpful. Like, they basically do all the work. I just go buy the bacon.
Hey, that's not a bad idea.
It's gonna be like, where's his hand? Like, down.
Line drawing.
All right, are you ready?
Hold on. I mean,
Congrats, man.
That wasn't
Craig
good
Scheller, he's out. Craig, what's all your social handles? I keep forgetting to ask people.
At Scheller Outdoor Living. If you're not asking anybody else.